Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and welcome to SaaS in 60. This week, we introduce conversational analytics in Microsoft Teams. With our new Teams app, you can easily chat with Inside Advisor, Qlik's intelligent AI assistant, to explore data using natural language directly within Teams. Users can now ask questions through individual or group chat, and Qlik will respond with AI-generated insights, using data from across your Qlik apps. And because it's Microsoft Teams, you can collaborate with others in real time, collectively making decisions using the insights generated by Qlik. Inside Advisor within Teams provides a powerful new way to help more people find the right answers, make better decisions, and collaborate together, where and how they work. Look for the Qlik app in the Teams App Store to get started. For more information, see the resource lists where this video is posted. And that is your SaaS in 60. To watch more in 60, check out the SaaS in 60 playlist in our YouTube channel, and be sure to visit the Qlik Learning portal at learning.qlik.com, your one-stop shop for all your learning needs.